The best thing that I know about growing up is we went to the Yiddish Theater. And that was downtown, 2nd Avenue. And my father was hard of hearing, so we had to sit up front. And the first thing I remember was there was Aaron Lebedov. I don't know if that's a familiar name, Romania. And we knew all the music and all the songs. And I was sitting, and he was singing, and I was sitting and clapping. And I remember the song. It was Mira Bissel, Dira Bissel, Chat nicht aus de ganze Schüssel. That was my first adventure in the theater. But we went all the time to hear the music and the plays and the stories. I knew them, and when we had my Yiddish class and we studied New York and the Yiddish theater, I was in heaven. At one time, my husband and I came to Elder Hostel here in Florida, and it was about Yiddish theater, and put on a play. And funny thing, I said to the director, I said, "I know I'm reading it in English, but in my head, it's Yiddish." He said, "Do it for me in Yiddish and record it." And I'm sitting there. I was like the mother who had a child, and she was married to an older man who was terrible, and she fell in love with the gardener and left her child and ran away with the gardener and had a child by him. And these two boys grew up, one Yiddish and one not. And the one who was not Jewish hated the Jews. And at one time, they got together, and the Jewish boy said to the mother, how could you leave a child? And she's telling him the story, and she's crying. And eventually, her other son killed somebody, and she took the blame. So it was such a story, but I did it in Yiddish. And I cried because I was so nervous. And it was just quite an experience, and they said that was the best part of the whole thing. So we've always done something with Yiddishkeit.